right, guys, so I got some dream mail from Verna Blvd Apt, and I want to show you guys everything I got from my dream mail, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this book. It says Act Like You Know. These are like poems and things in this book. You guys go check out his channel. I'm gonna put his link inside the description, so you can go and check his channel out, guys. And y'all know I'll be sharing his videos because I love positivity, and he always has nothing but positivity on his channel. So I love his channel, guys. And oh, I like that he has this on his let me show y'all. It says subscribe 1SP. It's so dope. I love that. I'm gonna show you the box, guys. This is so dope. This is amazing. Look how good God is. That's amazing, y'all. I'm gonna show you all the details he put into this, and he has writing inside the box. I can't read everything, but I just want to show you guys. And this smells amazing, y'all. Like, it smells amazing. The bracelet. Really nice. I'm gonna close this stuff up because I don't want to like have it like in slinging it everywhere and all that. I like this. It says purpose, passion, prayer. No, purpose, prayer, passion, building a ministry from the ground up. That's dope. I love that. I love videos like this. I love, you know, stuff like this so I can show off what other people have going on. It's so dope to me. And my channel is all about, you know, making your dreams come true. You know, turning your dreams into a reality. And these are his cards, guys. His business cards. I want to show you guys. His business cards. His business card, y'all. Put it up to the screen so you guys can see. I'm trying to put this stuff in here, y'all. I'm gonna put it back right when I get back to the house. And inside this, guys, oh, this is so nice. He got this stuff so nice. Look at this, y'all. His mask. I got my hair in here, y'all. Y'all don't mind me, because y'all know when you got a cheap little wig, it sheds. It says subscribe 1SP, and I think that's his Instagram down there too, at official 1SP. It's really nice. I got like 3 masks in here. This is so nice. Cause baby, we need these masks, okay? And then I'm gonna be representing my family with this mask, cause he is a part of the Dream Team family, y'all. I'm trying to which you all are. Everybody by the sound of my voice, you all are. And I got a card, guys, with a gift card. I'm gonna take my gift card out. Oh goodness, this thing I cannot take this because I don't want to tear up the envelope, because I like to keep my cards like in a certain spot, and I don't want to tear up the envelope. Gift card, really nice card. It's a beautiful card, y'all. I love the thank you note. It's beautiful. It feels good too. It's beautiful. And I want to make sure I unbox everything. I don't want to miss out anything. I want to make sure was it in here? I don't think this was. I'm trying to remember if it was in here, y'all. And this concludes like what was in here, guys. I don't want to like drag the video out to make it so extra long and all that, but it's just a blessing just to have somebody, you know, to think about you and want to like be a blessing to you and your family. It truly is a blessing, y'all. And this was totally unexpected. I was not expecting this to come in, nothing to come to my PO box, but it's always a blessing when it's like that, because when you least expect to get a blessing, that's what blessings come. And then it's just a wonderful thing. You just never know what God has for you, the things that God has in store. It feels so good out here, y'all. And I want you guys to check out his channel. His channel is called 1SP. I'm gonna leave his channel in the description so you guys can know exactly, you know, where to go at, y'all. The boys are, all my guys are getting their haircut, and me and Ashley's in the car just waiting, y'all. We are in the car waiting, y'all, and our fellas are getting their hair done. It's a hot day out here, y'all. It is so hot. It is 98 degrees out here today, y'all. But we are sitting in the air right now while the fellas are getting their haircut, and we're headed to some more places, and then we are heading home to make something to eat. Today with homeschooling, they didn't have to go to an actual live class today. Today they just had to like catch up with all their work and stuff. Today is the day for them to catch up with all their work and stuff with elementary students. But Antoine is in middle school, so Antoine he had to go to his electives today, and he went to art today and PE today. So that's what he went today. He went there, and the rest of my kids, they have their electives like in the middle of the week. This sun looks so amazing. It's just so beautiful out here today, and it's just like I'm just glowing in this sun, and I'm loving the sun. Okay, like this sun looks good on me. I guess, you know, joy looks good on the sister. I like this dress, y'all. I got this dress from BJ's. I love this dress. Like, and I just had to wear my blue piece with me, you know. My girl, this is my girl. She holding your girl down today, Miss Blue. Since I don't have my Misty Blue, my car, on me. Well, I don't have my car anymore. I'm gonna call my wig gonna be called Misty Blue. Okay. I miss my blue car, but I love Miss Rochelle better. That's the name of my truck. Her name is Rochelle. I name my cars and stuff. I'm laughing because the boy on the outside is like copying me. It's too funny. He just did it when he just walked past. That is hilarious to me. But anyways, y'all, we sitting up here waiting though. Waiting. We playing the waiting game. I can't wait to see how handsome all my men are looking when they come from out of there getting their hair done. I'm gonna actually shampoo Ashley's hair and condition her hair on Sundays. Let me keep y'all from right here, because this sun will get hot on this phone, and this phone will overheat, and I don't want it to overheat, y'all, because I film my phone. I don't film with like any other devices. I don't film with any cameras yet. Not yet. I haven't got there yet, but I will get there. You know what I'm saying? Haven't got there, but we'll get there. I caused myself polish my nails, y'all, and look at the nail polish chipping off. But I love this color though. I love the color. All right, y'all, I'm gone.